The live stream mix on its own can sound one-dimensional and lifeless. It's almost like you took the room mix and stripped it of all its energy. Now the good news is there are 3 things that you can do to overcome this: reverb, panning, and ambient mics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use panning in your live stream mix.
Before we get started, we just want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Church Sound Made Simple. Mixing sound seems complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Cut the overwhelm by getting access to this stress-free, no-fluff training that will help you create great sound at church. Visit churchsoundmadesimple.com.
Well, hey, if we haven't met, I'm Cade, creator of Collaborate Worship, and I'm here to help you create great sound at church. So let's talk about using panning in your live stream mix because it's going to make a big difference. Panning is when you move sound from the left to the right. You likely won't use this much in the room mix, but it definitely comes in handy with the live stream mix. And the reason is, most people will be listening with stereo speakers or headphones, so panning the guitar towards the right whenever they're on the right side of the stage will help make it feel like they're actually in the room with you. Now, before I show you how to pan, let me tell you the things that you never want to pan. First, and most important, is the lead vocal. And since the lead vocal changes throughout the service, I like to keep all of the vocals dead center so I don't accidentally leave one pan to the left or the right when they're now the lead vocal. You also never want to pan your bass guitar, your kick drum, or your snare. Everything else you can have some fun with. But I believe that the best strategy is to mimic what you see visually. So for us, that means that the keyboard is panned to the left and the electric and the acoustic guitar are panned to the right. But keep in mind, you don't want to pan all the way one way or the other, and in most cases, you don't even want to go more than halfway. It's also fun to pan your toms so that they go from left to right. So tom 1 would be about halfway to the left, tom 2 about center, and tom 3 about halfway to the right. This makes the tom fills sound really interesting. So let me walk you through how to pan in your live stream bus. Select the channel you want to pan, navigate to the Sends tab, and if you have your live stream buses linked together as a stereo pair, here you'll be able to pan between the 2 buses. For example, let's pan the electric guitar a bit to the right since he's on the right side of the stage. Now have some fun with this because panning is going to make a huge difference in your live stream mix. But keep in mind, the live stream mix is a reflection of what's going on in your auditorium, so you want to make sure that that room mix is the best that it can be. That's what Church Sound Made Simple is all about. You can get access now by visiting churchsoundmadesimple.com. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring that little bell so that I can let you know when the next video comes out, and I'll see you next time.